shredded chicken, cheese, salsa, and seasoning mixed together and then rolled up into these tortilla shells and then fried to a golden brown, crispy perfection, you guys. That is what we have on tonight's menu. And not only that, we can take the same filling and we can make a low carb version and we can make a regular version. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And if you're joining me for the first time, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to give this video a like and a share, because that's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content. They will continue to spread it around, and that's what helps my channel grow. Thank you guys so very much. So again, same filling, low carb version and a non-low carb version, all because of the type of shell that we use. So you guys, without further ado, come in close and let's make some chicken taquitos, also known as flautas. Okay, everyone. So what I've done first is I took these shells over to the stove top and I just heated them through on both sides. That way they are nice and pliable so that once I fill them and roll them, they won't break. So I'm going to go ahead and set these aside, and then we are going to put together the filling. So what we're going to start with is our cheese, and of course all the ingredients are on the screen. We've got some room temp cream cheese, some sour cream, some diced green onions, salsa, and our spices. So in here we've got some cumin, some chili powder, black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Go ahead and mix all of this together. And you guys, we've got a nice seasoned base for our chicken. All right, and here is our chicken. Chicken has been shredded. Of course, you can buy a store-bought rotisserie chicken and shred it, or you can take some chicken breast and boil it until it's nice and tender, which is exactly what I did. Chicken breast is a staple in our household, you guys. So what I did is I put some water in the pot, put this chicken in there, along with some chicken bouillon, some cumin, black pepper, salt, and some garlic powder. And then again, once this chicken was nice and tender, took it out, shredded it, and here we have it. So let's go ahead and add this to our cheese mixture. Give this a mix. Let's go ahead and give this a taste for salt and pepper. Perfection. And lastly, we're going to add in some shredded cheddar cheese. Mix this in, and then once this is mixed, you guys, it will be ready to go ahead and fill those shells and roll them up to fry. All right, this is ready. Okay, so we're going to start with our flour tortilla shell. Go ahead and put some filling. Okay. And we're going to roll this up nice and tight. Now, you guys, we need to hold this together when we fry it. I've seen a hack where some people take some flour and some water to create a paste, put some of that right at the edge, and then seal it, okay? But I'm not doing that today. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a toothpick, and this will keep it together when we fry it. Okay, so that's one. And let's go ahead and put together a low carb. Same process, different shell. And as you can see, this shell is smaller than this one. As a matter of fact, I do believe that is the difference between a flauta and a taquito, is the size of the shell. But other than that, if I'm not mistaken, they are exactly the same. And you guys, when I tell you this filling is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Turn it over, pull it in, so it's nice and tight, and then proceed to roll. at the end, and we're going to put a toothpick on it, and that one's ready. Okay, everyone, these have been rolled and ready to fry. The skillet has preheated, and I will meet you at the stove. Okay, everyone, I believe this oil is hot enough. Let's put a little bit of almond flour in there. Yes, and it's sizzling. This is ready. And we are going to continue to fry these until they are golden brown on each side. Okay, everyone, we are on the last side. And then these will be ready to take out. And I will put the last few in. And that's what that is looking like. Golden brown and crispy on all sides. Okay, put it on a tray so that the excess oil can drain off. And then these will be ready to serve. I'll see you soon. Okay, everyone. And here we have it. Golden fried, crispy taquitos. I've got the low carb version here and the regular version here. And all that's left to do is to plate these and enjoy. Okay, everyone. Take a look at this. Oh my gosh. These look phenomenal. Nothing left to do but to give them a taste. Lord, I thank you. And whatever sauce you want to put on them is up to you. I've got some salsa, I've got some sour cream. Again, whatever your heart's desire. You guys, this filling is everything. Again, take this one filling, put it into a low carb wrap, put it into a regular wrap. Your entire family will be happy. Whether or not they are following low carb or not, this is a winner. You guys give it a try. Leave in your comments that you have and let everyone know just how delicious this is. And remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like and a share. And remember, you guys, it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you guys real soon on my next Fab 50. So you guys, I'm going to hang up this apron and I am going to get busy. See you soon.